1 customer initiates a transaction using a credit card physically or online. 2 merchant's point of sale terminal or online payment gateway sends the authorization request to the acquiring bank, merchant's bank, through the payment processor. The 3 payment processor then further routes the authorization request from the acquiring bank, merchant's bank, to the credit card network such as Visa, MasterCard, American Express, etc. 4 credit card network forwards the authorization request to the issuing bank, customer's bank. 5 issuing bank checks the customer's account for available credit and evaluates the transaction's risk and finally approves or declines the authorization request. 6 issuing bank sends an authorization response back through the credit card network to the acquiring bank and the merchant. 7 acquiring bank relays the authorization response to the merchant's POS or online payment gateway and merchant system display the approved or declined message accordingly. 8 At the end of the business day, the merchant's POS system or payment gateway sends a batch of authorized transactions to the acquiring bank, which then forwards the batch to the credit card network. 9 Acquiring then facilitates the clearing and settlement process, which involves transferring funds from the issuing bank to the acquiring bank. 10 Acquiring bank deposits the funds into the merchant's account, completing the transaction.